The latitudes and the longitude. These are invisible lines that help us identify a place using geometrical coordinates, like locating the Great Pyramid of Giza. Latitudes are lateral. They run from west to east. Latitudes are also known as parallels, as they are lines parallel to the equator. Equator is the longest latitude and divides the Earth into two hemispheres, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Hence, that's why they are named north or south. For example, 10 degrees, 15 minutes north or south. And also remember that 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. Parallels increase from 0 degrees to 90 degrees south and north. Longitudes are long. Longitudes are also known as meridians, are lines running from the north to the south and named east or west. For example, 10 degrees, 1 minute east or west. Longitudes are between 0 degrees and 180 degrees. They increase to the west or east. When writing latitude, use 2 numbers for the degrees and 3 numbers for longitude. The position of the person or a ship on Earth is indicated by both latitude and longitude. For example, 10 degrees 15 minutes north and 10 degrees 1 minute east. Important latitude and longitude. The equator, the longest latitude, and the prime meridian, special longitudinal line where all x ordinates start at 0 degrees. We also call it the Greenwich meridian because it runs through Greenwich, England. Different time zones. We have 24 different time zones in the world because the Earth rotates 360 degrees every 24 hours. Each time zone is 15 degrees longitude apart from the other. (360 degrees divided by 24 is equal to 15. For every 15 degrees is equal to 1 hour. 30 degrees 2 hours. 45 degrees is equal to 3 hours. The prime meridian, Greenwich meridian, defines the center of the first time zone in the world. This means the prime meridian time zone spans from 7.5 degrees west to 7.5 degrees east. Then the next time to the east spans 7.5 degrees east to 22.5 degrees east. When you move to the right, you gain time, fast time. In other words, for every time zone that you move toward the right, you add an hour. But when you head toward the left, you lose an hour, slow time. You can find any time by counting how many degrees longitude it is away from the Greenwich. For example, it will be 4 p.m. at 60 degrees east longitude when it is noon at the prime meridian, whereas it will be 8 a.m. at 60 degrees west longitude.